but don't push it down the stairs. Roomba! Roomba!
That's not your dock. You can't force it to fit.
¡Ay, carajo! ¿Por qué eres así?
Yo, I need a Xanax.
A platypus? Parry the platypus!
But then it does nothing. It does nothing. It doesn't do anything. I was told maybe hit it twice.
Nothing's gonna work here. Can't turn it off with the button. Just keeps going.